Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your Roblox username, cost, limits, and tips. So step number one is to open your Roblox settings. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. Next step is to select account info from the settings menu to access username options. And then just find your current username and click the pencil icon next to it to edit your username. Once you're done with that, username changes cost 1,000 Robux. So just have to enter your username, which is the new one, and then pay the fee. So once you're done with that, you have to confirm the change and note that your old username will be available for others after 7 days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!